change, calculus of motion. The displacement of an object, t seconds after being projected vertically, is given by the formula s equals 15t minus 5t square, where s is the displacement of an object in meters. The upward direction is positive. Find the displacement after 5 seconds. Calculate the initial velocity. Determine the velocity after 5 seconds. When is the velocity 0? What is the maximum height from the original position that the object reaches? Solution. The displacement after 5 seconds can be determined by substituting t equals 5 in the displacement formula. S equals 15t minus 5t square. S of 5 equals negative 15 meter. The negative sign indicates that the object has fallen 50 meters from the original position. The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is known as velocity and is denoted by v. v equals ds over dt. S equals 15t minus 5t square. Differentiating s with respect to t, we get s dashed t equals 15 minus 10t. To determine the initial velocity, we substitute t equals 0 in the equation. S dashed t equals 15 minus 10 times 0. Therefore, initial velocity equals 15 meters per second. S dashed t equals 15 minus 10t. S dashed 5 equals 15 minus 10 times 5 equals negative 35 meters per second. The negative sign indicates that the object at that instant in time is traveling downwards. Its speed at that instant is 35 meters per second. To find the time when the velocity reaches 0, we equate v equals 0. S dashed t equals 15 minus 10t equals 0. Rearranging the terms and solving for t, we get, or t equals 1,5 seconds. At t equals 1,5 seconds, the velocity is 0. We know that a stationary point is either a maximum or a minimum point. We can determine this using the second derivative test. S double dashed t equals d over dt of 15 minus 10t. Therefore, s double dashed t equals negative 10. The second derivative of this function will always be negative as the second derivative is a constant function, at t equals 1,5. Therefore, s double dashed 1,5 equals negative 10. We can now substitute the value of t equals 1,5 in the displacement formula to find the maximum height of the object from the original position. Substituting the value of t equals 1,5 seconds that was calculated earlier, we get equals 11,25 meter. Therefore, the maximum height reached is 11,25 meter.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. And let the math finally start mathing.